Good morning to all of the audience. Hello, my name is Nur Putrika Charoni from Institute Technology School November. Today I would like to present my paper with the title of Deep Learning Transformer for Forecasting Sumatran Light Crude Oil Price. This presentation will be divided into 5 parts, which are introduction, research methods, methodology, result and analysis, and conclusion. Firstly is introduction. Time series are often used to project case from time to time. To make a good forecast, we need historical data. From we know, there are two different approaches for time series data, which are parametrics and non-parametrics method. But in recent years, non-parametric methods, especially machine learning and deep learning, become popular because this kind of methods didn't meet any assumption like parametric methods. The most used methods in time series, especially for deep learning methods, are recurrent neural network. But these methods having disadvantages like it can catch a long dependency across the sequence. And then RNN developed into long short-term memories or LSTM, which have several gates which have different kinds of different kinds of function which is expected to capture long-term dependency. But these methods also having disadvantages like not all of the information can catch by model, sequence from a long-time step can be forgotten across the process. And then we need one method that can capture all of this information across the sequence, which is transformer. Transformer model is a model that firstly introduced as NLP processing and then developed it until it can be used for time series. The application of transformer can be used for forecasting, anomaly detection, and classification. Algorithm that we use in transformer is self-attention. For the study case in this paper, we use the case of Sumatran light crude oil price, which this SLC price always fluctuates, suddenly experiencing high increase and high decline, so it will give an impact on monetary stability in Indonesia. So in this study, we will build a model that can capture the data pattern of the important information from series of SLC price in Indonesia, and then we model it using transformer. And then next is research methods. Transformer model is one of the models that originally intended for machine learning model translation. Different from recurrent neural network, transformer process entire data sequence and use self-attention mechanism to find dependencies in existing sets. This is the structure of architecture of transformer, which is we have encoder and decoder, which in every encoder and decoder we perform self-attention to calculate the weight of the prediction. And then before we use data to predicting to using transformer, we need to slide the data. Window sliding is a method by taking data source and dividing the data along temporal boundary and making limited chunks for further processing. And then we need to add the positional encoding, which is the information about the relationship or absolute position of an object in series. And then after we add positional encoding, we need to send it into the self-attention layer, which is contains of scatter product. Scatter product attention is used to obtain the weight value of the input and in the form of queries and k. The output of the weight that produced in scatter product can be calculated using softmax function. And then the attention score that produced by scatter product attention combined with multi-head attention. Multi-head attention is attention that is done by h times. Multi-head attention also allows the model to simultaneously pay attention to information from different spatial representation of each position. And then the result from multi-head attention forward into the feed-forward network. In this part, there are two transformations, which are linear transformation and retrieved linear unit. And then the module that connects the residual value followed by a layer containing the normalization module is inserted in each model. And then for the decoder part, the result from encoder and then mask by using mask multi-head attention. Mask multi-head attention is same as multi-head attention like in encoder, but the difference is we add the mask matrix in the formula. Mask matrix is a matrix that contains the data can be used for the next input or not. And then the result from the mask multi-head attention send it into feed-forward layer and sum function, which is feed-forward layer is same as the encoder. Next, we optimize our parameter using Adam optimizer with learning rate as the follow in the slide. And then we use two different types of performance analysis. For training data, we use MSE loss, and then for the testing data, we use RMSE. And then the next is research methodology. The data that will be used is secondary data, which is Smarter Light Crude Oil price data from January 1989 until December 2021. The structure of research data can be shown in the table 1. And then result and analysis. Okay, for the transformer model, we use different kinds of head and layer. For the head, we use two different types of head, which is 8 and 16. And the number of layer, we use 3, 4, and 5. And then for the testing data, we got that the model which has the smaller RMSE is a model with head 16 and layer 4. This combination having RMSE for about 8.90. And then for the validation loss and the train loss, from the plot, we can see that the train loss over epochs continues to decline, although in some parts, the loss value increased slightly and then continues to decrease until it stabilizes. The validity loss has a smaller value than the train loss, but it consistently decreasing to the point of stability. And then the gap of the validation loss and train loss is big. It can be the indication for the validation data may be easier for the model to predict rather than the training dataset. This is also because of the validation data is having smaller amount than the training data. And then the next is the prediction plot of Smarter Light Crude Oil price for period January 2021 until December 2021. From the graph, it can be shown that the predicted value tends to follow the actual value, but other than that, there is a big gap between the predicted and actual value in January 2021 and also in October 2021. And then the conclusion that we get from this paper is SLC price tends to change period by period. It can be caused by policy or some events that happen in the world. A different number of heads and layers used in the transformer model can produce different performances to forecast the price of a Smarter Light Crude Oil. We found that the transformer model with multi-head attention of 16 coupled with 4 layers is the best model for forecasting the Smarter Light Crude Oil price. This model has the smallest RMSE, and the training model seems good with its training loss consistently decreasing with the increasing epochs. That's all from my presentation. Thank you for watching.